Sika have introduced a new Class D pit lid bolt. These new bolts come with a Nordlock washer that has a 10mm M12 hexagon head. In future, if a Class D pit needs to be repaired due to a loose lid issue, the existing lid bolts must be removed and replaced with the new Hex Head Nordlock bolt and washer set. This change has been done because the old Sika puzzle head bolts had a tendency to strip when torqued down at 70 pounds per foot of torque. Technicians will need to procure 3 new tools to install the new bolt and washer sets. A torque wrench rated for a minimum of 70 foot-pounds of torque, and a 10mm M12 impact hex head socket. They will also need a wire brush set to clean the lids of any debris. Before mounting a Class D lid, it is important to make sure the lids and frames of the pit are not bent, warped or cracked. Before inserting the bolt sets, make sure all the mounting surfaces and bolt holes are free from dust, grime and debris. Doing this ensures the lid will seat correctly and prevent unwanted vibration that may loosen the bolt and cover set. Making use of your drill mountable wire brush sets will provide the best and desired results.